Nutrition. And
We
here we
are
are
at Health Los Baños Medical Center, Kalinga Geriatrics Department. Ngayon po ay pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa mahalagang impormasyon at mga additional guidelines para sa sapat na nutrisyon at magandang kalusugan para sa older people na nagsisimula sa edad na 60 o tinatawag nating elderly.
Talakayin natin ang isa sa makakatulong upang mas ma-improve ang kanilang kalusugan at isa dito ang eat and hydrate. Habang tayo ay tumatanda, tumataas din ang risk ng malnutrition dulot ng physiological, psychological, at socio-economic factor.
Ang Pinggang Pinoy ay simpleng konsepto ng balancing diet. Ang balancing pagkain ay sumasaklaw sa lahat ng grupo ng pagkain at nagbibigay ng lahat ng kinakailangang bitamina at mineral ng katawan.
Una, ang carbohydrates. Ito ang main source of energy composed of fruits, vegetables, and grains na nagsusupply ng fiber to help stomach and intestinal problem tulad ng constipation, and it also helps to lower cholesterol and blood sugar level.
Kumain ng cooked beans, peas, and lentils.
Mas maiging kainin ang prutas at gulay na maaaring kainin ang balat pero siguraduhin hinuhugasan ito bago kainin.
Choose whole fruit over fruit juice.
Lastly, kumain ng mga whole grains and breads and cereals that contain fiber.
Pangalawa, ang protina na siyang tinatawag na building blocks na ginagamit ng ating katawan to fight infections and repair of tissues. Ito ang mga ilang sources ng protina. Seafoods, lean meat, poultry, egg, dairy, and beans and peas.
At ang huli ay ang fats. Ito ay nagbibigay din ng energy, tinutulungan niya ang katawan natin to absorb vitamin A, D, E, and K.
Ngunit, siguraduhin limitado lamang ang intake ng saturated fats na siyang nagre-raise ng cholesterol level at ilimit lang din ang pagkain ng mga trans fat tulad ng baked goods.
Here are some tips to healthy food choices.
Drink plenty of fluids.
Drink
water often to stay hydrated.
Plan healthy meals.
Know how much to eat.
Pag-aralan at ma-recognize of how much to eat para makontrol mo ang portion size.
Vary your vegetables.
Eat for your teeth and gums.
Don't miss on needed nutrients. Eating of softer foods can help.
Use herbs and spices to perk up the flavor of foods.
Keep food safe. Throw out food that might not be safe. Always check the expiration date.
Ask your doctor about vitamins and minerals. Food is the best way to get nutrients you need. Consult your doctor before you take any dietary supplements. To assess nutritional status and determine eligibility for nutrition support among older adults, and we can use MUAC or mid-upper arm circumference.
Interpretation: a score less than 22 cm may indicate at risk for malnutrition. A score of 22 cm or greater indicates normal nutrition as a status of elderly. Healthy diet, going affordable for all. Happy Nutrition Month!